In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to switch your existing website to a new platform, this guide will walk you through the essentials to set up and customize your website efficiently. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Squarespace and press Enter. You'll land on the main Squarespace website, which is your gateway to creating a sleek and professional-looking website. Once there, look for the Get Started button, usually prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking this button will lead you to the next crucial steps. Now, Squarespace will prompt you to answer a few questions about your website. These questions are designed to tailor the experience to your specific needs, whether you're creating a portfolio, an online store, a blog, or something entirely different. Take your time to provide accurate information, as this will help in selecting the most relevant options and guiding you through the setup process. After completing these prompts, you'll be directed to choose a template. Squarespace offers a variety of beautifully designed templates tailored for different industries and styles. Browse through the selection carefully, considering your content and the aesthetic you wish to convey. Remember, templates are customizable, so choose one that feels like the best starting point for your vision. Once you've selected your template, your new site will be created. It feels exciting, doesn't it? But the journey doesn't stop here. You'll now want to personalize your site to make it truly your own. To do this, click on the Edit Site button. This will open up the Squarespace editor, where all the customization magic happens. In this editing mode, let your creativity flow. You can modify text, upload images, adjust fonts, and even change the color scheme to align with your brand. Spend some time exploring different elements and styles to see what you like best. Squarespace allows a high degree of customization, so feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with the look and feel of your site. As you're customizing, remember one vital step. Don't forget to save your changes. And when you're ready for the world to see your website, click on Save and Publish. Publishing will make your site live, and its digital doors open to your audience. But remember, you can always return to make more tweaks later on. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes it easy to continually update and refine as your needs evolve. And there you have it. A streamlined process to set your Squarespace site up in just 5 minutes. With these initial steps, you've built a foundation that you can continually enhance as your project grows. I hope this guide was helpful, and I can't wait to see the beautiful sites you all create. Happy website building!